How much is a Sharp TV? Sharp TVs are known for their quality displays and smart features, offering a variety of models for different needs. The price of a Sharp TV depends on factors like screen size, resolution, smart capabilities, and additional features such as HDR support, advanced picture technology, and sound quality. First, price range of Sharp TVs. The cost of a Sharp TV typically falls within the following range: 32 to 43-inch models, priced between $150 to $500. 55-inch models typically range from $350 to $700. 65-inch models priced from $600 to $1,500, depending on features. Premium models, 4K smart TVs, and larger sizes can range from $800 to $2,000 or more, depending on screen size and technology. 2. Different Sharp TV models and their pricing. Sharp offers a variety of models to suit different budgets and needs. LC32LE450, a 32-inch LED model, priced from $150 to $250. LC50N5000U, a 50-inch Full HD model, typically priced from $350 to $500. $500. LC55N6000U, a 55-inch 4K UHD model with smart features, priced from $400 to $600. LC65N7000U, a premium 65-inch 4K smart TV with HDR support, priced from $700 to $1,200. LC70N8000U, a 70-inch 4K smart TV, typically priced from $1,200 to $2,000. 3. Features that affect the price. The price of a Sharp TV is influenced by several factors. Screen size. Larger TVs typically come at a higher price. Resolution. 4K UHD models are priced higher than Full HD or HD models. Smart features. Models with built-in streaming apps, web OS, or Android TV functionality tend to cost more. HDR and picture quality. TVs with advanced HDR support, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and superior contrast and brightness typically cost more. Sound quality. Premium models with better sound technology, like Dolby Atmos, are often priced higher. 4th best time to buy for maximum savings. To get the best deal on a Sharp TV, consider shopping during holiday sales. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and other seasonal promotions often offer discounts on electronics. Clearance sales. Older models may be discounted when new versions are released. Retailer-specific promotions. Some stores offer bundle deals, financing options, or trade-in discounts for added savings. Sharp TVs offer a variety of options at different price points, allowing you to choose the best model for your needs and budget. By comparing models, considering the features you want, and shopping during sales events, you can find the perfect Sharp TV at a competitive price.